In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly insert an array formula using the search bar in your spreadsheet. We're keeping this simple and clear so you can follow along without any fuss. First, start by clicking on the search field where you look up functions. Depending on your spreadsheet app, this might be the search bar near the formula area, sometimes labeled with an FX icon or a function search panel. Clicking this search field tells the spreadsheet you're about to look for a specific function rather than typing everything from scratch. Now search for array formula. As you type, you'll see suggestions appear. You're looking for the entry that specifically references the array formula function. This function lets you perform a calculation across an entire range of cells at once, instead of filling a formula down row by row. It's a huge time saver when working with lists, columns, and any repeating logic. When you see the array formula option in the results, click on it. This inserts the function into your formula editor and typically shows you a tooltip or guide with the expected inputs. Don't worry if you see placeholders or hints. They're there to help, not to complicate things. Next, click the box you want to add. In other words, choose the cell or starting range you want the array formula to work with. For example, you might click the first cell in your data column where you want the results to begin. Selecting this cell tells the formula exactly where to look or where to place its output. Take a moment to make sure it's the correct location, especially if you have existing data nearby. Array-based results can fill multiple cells, so choosing the right starting point helps keep everything neat. After that, just press Enter. Pressing Enter confirms your choice and applies the array formula. If your spreadsheet provides a preview or shows results spilling down or across, that's expected. If you encounter an error, double check that you selected the correct function from the search results and that the box you clicked is the one you intended. Also, make sure there aren't unrelated entries blocking where the results need to go. That's all there is to it. Click the search for array formula, click it, click the box you want to add, and press Enter. With these steps, you'll be able to set up array-driven calculations quickly and consistently, saving time and reducing repetitive work. Thanks for watching, and practice this flow a couple